Honorable member,
Sir, I rise to discuss the
honorable member,
COVID-19
we are very
pandemic.
proud of people of Dharavi.
Sir, it is the worst happening in the country since the Spanish flu hit the country in 1919. After 100 years, pandemic has come to this country. Sir, I am here not here to blame anybody, but I do pay my tributes to the brave COVID warriors, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedical staff, to the hospitals. I pay particular tribute to two doctors, Dr. Baliram Bhargav of ICMR and Dr. Randeep Guleria of AIMS, who have done much to improve our knowledge of the virus. Sir, very little was known about this virus. It is strange that an organism which cannot be seen except under an electron microscope could cause such havoc among the people. Now, when I rise to speak here, I must say that we were caught unprepared. Like the Indian Army in 1962 when the Chinese attacked. We do not have COVID hospital beds, we did not have ventilators, drugs like hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir, we did not have oxygen, we did not have oxygen plants. We are fighting a mighty enemy. The COVID-19 virus, the country was not prepared. And, sir, if I may humbly say, that part of this unpreparedness was due to the complacency of the Prime Minister himself. Sir, in this House, with all responsibility, I must say that in this House we are discussing the budget. The Prime Minister was here. The day's session ended. Supriya and others, Kanimodi, they told me, why don't we approach the Prime Minister to adjourn the House because pandemic is coming. I went personally to Narendra Modi. I say it on oath. I told him that why don't you adjourn the House? Pandemic has started. He said, nahi, log chutti chahte hai. Isliye they want the House to be adjourned. I'm saying it with responsibility. And this complacent attitude was there. Same morning, I had talked to Dr. Harshvardhan. I said, do something about the pandemic. Bolo, nahi, pandemic control ho jayega. After I spoke to Narendra Modi, 5 days later, he said, up, thali bajao, 15 दिन में कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा. This is, yes, I am quoting Prime Minister. If I am wrong, Mr. Nishikant Dubey, if I am wrong, bring a privilege against me. I am saying, I'll provide the proof. Sir, then, please listen to me. Sir,
No, let him complete. If you want any clarification, you will
with
get it.
responsibility.
Please.
The corona, the first wave went, the country was totally unprepared. It's true that the country rose to the occasion. We slowly started getting ventilators, hospital beds, oxygen plants. We slowly started. All the states put in their efforts. There is no doubt about it. Then the Prime Minister made a second mistake, which was fatal. In January 2021, he said, Bharat विश्व गुरु है. हम 80 देश में हमने वैक्सीन एक्सपोर्ट किए हैं और हम कोरोना को दबा लिया है. He said it, our Prime Minister. Then what happened? Then in April and May, the second wave hit the country. We are not prepared. Daily 4 lakh cases. If the Prime Minister had not been complacent in January 2021, this would not have happened. I say it with responsibility. Sir, I can tell you that personally during Corona times, I did not stay at home for 1 day. I tried to arrange for cremation of people. Unlike in Uttar Pradesh, Yogi's Uttar Pradesh, we did not let the dead bodies rot in the Ganges. We arranged for their cremation. Every day I was admitting 10, 20 patients in hospitals which were declared COVID hospitals. We are trying to get remdesivir and hydroxychloroquine for the patients, and we are arranging for food for the poor migrant workers who had come. With God's grace, I did not contact Corona. Every day I was in touch with these people. We did not escape our responsibility. Anybody who came to me did not have to do an RT-PCR test. Like the Prime Minister insists on an RT-PCR test for everybody who will go to meet him. We are ordinary people, sir, and we live among the people. That's why we have survived. With God's grace, we have developed the immunity. Now, sir, there has been many mistakes. Because we exported our vaccine, our vaccination program started late. Covishield, which was developed by AstraZeneca in Oxford, was manufactured by Serum Institute of Pune. Mr. Poonawalla did a great job in manufacturing. Then Covaxin, which is also a good vaccine, though it was recognized very late by WHO, by Bharat Biotech and ICMR, also was doing a job. But till today, sir, I do not know what about the other vaccines that have been discovered in the world, Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson. All these vaccines, whether they have come to India and whether they can be used, that is the question. The minister must answer. The next question, sir, I have taken 2 doses of vaccine. Is a booster dose necessary? The ICMR has not issued any directive yet. I'm an old man, sir, with comorbidity. I've got high diabetes. I've taken 2 vaccines. I mix among the corona people, but I just want to get this protection that whether we should take a 3rd dose, a booster dose, the government must clarify on this matter. What about testing? Now, Omicron, you know, they are using the Greek alphabets. First it was the Alpha, second wave it was Delta variant. Now it is Omicron. Omicron has come to South Africa. We have to protect ourselves. Our airports are being told to observe carefulness, caution. Now there are strange orders are coming. You are saying that everybody has to do RT-PCR at the airport. It is costing 4,500 for every patient. Why? And then you will have to stay 7 days in quarantine. Sir,
Please conclude.
the country, I am concluding, the country did stand up to Corona. If the mistakes had not been made from the top, the country would have combated Corona even better. We have got the scientists, we have got the doctors, we have got COVID warriors who can fight the Corona. They don't need politicians like us, but the political leadership must not give a wrong direction, must not develop complacency. Corona is the biggest crisis in 100 years. We should have met it with the alacrity that it demanded.
Thank you.
Sir, and thank you very much
Thank you.
for allowing me to discuss
Very
the
good.
Corona pandemic. Thank you.
Within time, you conclude your speech. Very good.